Here we go. All right, first, I'm just plugging in this prompt here. Says I'm an artist specializing in abstract realism, wildlife, and large abstract landscapes, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to hit go, see what it does for me. A lot of times they're going to be too wordy, and so I'll just see what happens with them. Good. All right, so I'm going to just go ahead and cut this, or copy this, I should say. Then we'll go over, you can see I've been experimenting already with these. /imagine. And I'm going to put it in there. But I'm going to run it first just like it is. And then I'm going to run it and look at probably making some changes on it.